How to grow hair faster naturally at home in a week with Bringraj oil. Bringraj oil comes from a plant known in English as false daisy. The herb is in the sunflower family and grows best in moist places including Thailand, India, and Brazil. Leaves from the Bringraj plant are mixed and heated with a carrier oil to produce Bringraj oil. Bringraj can also be found in capsule or powder form. In Ayurveda, an Indian tradition that aims to balance and heal the body through nutrition, Bringraj is said to promote hair growth, strengthen hair, and prevent graying and dandruff. One 2011 study found that Eclipta alba extract, Bringraj, is effective at fighting bacteria and fungus. This means it could be helpful in treating certain bacterial infections. Here is how to make Bringraj oil at home. To make this oil, you would need a handful of Bringraj leaves, or 3 teaspoons of Bringraj powder, 1 cup of coconut oil, and a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Preparation. Step 1. Chop the Bringraj leaves. Step 2. Heat a cup of coconut oil, and add the chopped Bringraj leaves or the powder into the oil. Heat the mixture for about 5 minutes. Step 3. Add the fenugreek seeds. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool. Strain the mixture and store it in the container. Step 4. Apply the oil and massage gently for a nourished scalp. For dry hair and dandruff problems, regular massaging of Bringraj oil helps in deeper absorption and in activating the sebaceous glands. Massaging the oil on your scalp at bedtime helps in improving the blood circulation at the root of the hair, bringing more nutrients to support hair growth. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.